Hi, it's Teresa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you've been hanging around for a while, thank you. I appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to do some diamond dot painting. And everything I have here sitting on the table, with the exception of this, came from Temu. The diamond dot kit did. The little, I don't know what you call them. You use them to put the drills on, those things. We got some release paper. We got a sticky thing. We've got a drill holder. So I want to try these out and see exactly how well this stuff worked. And is it worth it? We'll find out. I've got Lucky in here today too. Lucky's my little kitty. He's special needs and he wants to help out, so you have to forgive him if he gets into the screen. One of the first things I want to try is this. Temu had this listed for diamond dot painting as anti-dirty tape. And the idea is where the glue spills over here, you're supposed to put the tape on it and it helps keep it clean, which was something I was looking for because when I'm in my craft room doing diamond dot painting, Lucky likes to come in here, and so does Tinker and Minx. And I don't want cat fur all over the place. So I thought we'd try it. And I was a little disappointed when I did open it because I'll peel a piece off here. I don't know if you can see this, but it's masking tape. Pure and simple masking tape. I kind of felt like, you know, I thought this was supposed to be something special, but it's not. I don't know. Maybe in the Temu world it is special. Maybe they don't have masking tape there. So I got that to try. The other thing I got here was this ruler. It is supposed to go on. You're supposed to use it to help make everything straight. Keep it straight when you're diamond painting. And I don't know how it's really going to work, because if you lay this down and then put your drills down, you're not going to get it up because these holes are smaller than your drills. So I'm wondering if I have to use it this way and then just set it over the drills to keep everything straight. So we will try that and see how it works. Another thing I got from Temu is this. It lights up so you can help see better. I've been using it for a little bit now. For the last diamond painting I did, it worked pretty good. I know when I was doing the darker colors, there was such a glare that it was kind of hard to see. But that could be because I had a big light on it too. So we'll see. One thing I wanted to try too was this release paper I got, which I was once again disappointed because it was just wax paper. Well, wax paper, I can go to the grocery store and buy a roll of it, and it'd be a lot cheaper than buying this. There's supposed to be 20 pieces here. I got it off Temu. It was a couple bucks. And then this thing, I had this in an unboxing video. We're gonna try it. It's really super sticky. You're supposed to be able to lay it down and put your drills on here, or put your drill holder on here, and then it's not supposed to move. But we'll see how that goes. We'll try it. You know, it doesn't hurt. So let's start first. Usually I do not peel this whole thing off, but I want to put some of this masking tape down because, like I said, I got kitty cats in here and I do not want cat fur sticking to it. I love my boys, but sometimes I don't love the fur. All right. Now, I did kit this up already. So, let's see what we will start with. 5,200. This is something else I got off Temu. This is going to work out well. I've got this one that I bought off Amazon, and I paid $15 for it. And I want to say it holds, I want to say 72, but I'm not sure. This one I got off Temu for like $6. So let's try this out. All right. I do this kind of funny. Oh, I should use this. You know, we bought all these things because we want to try them. So let's see how it's going to work. This thing is small, so hopefully I'll be able to get it done soon. I don't want, you know, the video to be too long and drag on because nobody wants to sit and watch this for an hour. That'd get boring real quick. So I am just gonna pause this, do a bunch, and then let you know how it went. Hello, I'm back. Couple of things. This took me a lot longer than what I felt that it should. I assumed it would take me just a couple hours because of the size. It took me longer than that. I worked on it Thursday, and then a little bit Saturday, a little bit Sunday. Here it is Monday, and I'm just about done with it. The ruler, it worked. The drills were too large to put down like this and then put the drills on, so I had to kind of improvise, and I'm going to show you how I did this, because I don't know if you can see, it's got the little ridges at the top. So what I did was I lined it up like this and then put the drills on. And this is also part of what took so long, is constantly having to line up the ruler. I've got a little bit to go here, but I just wanted to say, if you can see all this, it did a good job. The ruler did a good job keeping it straight. It took a lot longer. I feel, you know, without using the ruler, I could have got this done a lot faster. Might not have been as straight as this, but I could have whipped through it. Because with this ruler, with the little edges, you can't multi-place with this. You have to do every single one of these, one by one. And it just seemed like it drug on and on. So I've got that little bit to finish, and I'll get that done. So the ruler, I was happy. The canvas, not so much. And the reason I say that is because, let me bring this up here. I had to put protection stuff down. Okay. If you can see that picture, it looks very detailed. It looks really cute. It looks pretty. I thought my canvas would look like that. Now that it's done, I was disappointed because like the buttons and the eyes, they're printed on there as like embellishments. There was no number to put there. And then too, it's very blotchy. Like, can you tell these are supposed to be trees? This is supposed to be a tree. You can tell there's an arm here, but where's this arm? Or is it down here? You can't tell where this little snowman, where their hat is. Here, you can see the brim, you can see a little bit, but it blends in too much with the surrounding colors. I think that the way they printed this, it lost a lot of detail, because this does not look even half as detailed as this. So that was very disappointing. I am hoping that the other ones I got from Temu will be better than this, you know. It's hard to say though, because Temu is like eBay or Amazon, where you have a whole bunch of different sellers. So was it just a bad seller, or was it Temu in general? I don't know. But we'll give it a try. I've got others, so we'll try this. But I just wanted to let you know my thoughts on it, my feelings. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next video.